Welcome to Clear State, your sanctuary for guided affirmation meditations, designed to uplift your spirit and align you with the abundance that life has to offer. Today, we will embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery and empowerment through affirmations that resonate with your highest self. As you listen to this meditation, allow each affirmation to penetrate your being, whether you choose to repeat them silently or aloud. Subscribe to Clear State and make this practice a cherished part of your daily routine, first thing in the morning and just before sleep, to truly embody these positive intentions. Now, find a comfortable position. Take a deep breath in, feeling your body relax, and let yourself be fully present in this moment. As we begin, allow the soothing sounds of nature to embrace you, creating a peaceful and nurturing space for your mind, body, and spirit to absorb these affirmations of positivity, energy, and abundance. Let's begin. I am fully present in the now moment. I feel grateful for what I have. I am grateful and appreciate every moment. I am grateful and appreciate myself for all the things I have gone through. I appreciate myself for all the experiences I have had. I appreciate all the good things that have happened to me. I appreciate all the lessons life has taught me. All the lessons that life teaches only make me stronger. I am strong, resilient, and capable. I am full of love, light, and happiness. I deserve the best that life has to offer. I choose the thoughts and actions that align with my highest purpose. I am choosing to have the best life possible for me. I am ready to receive all the blessings the universe has for me. I am ready to achieve all my dreams. I am aligning with my higher self. Everything I need or want flows easily into my life. I am achieving all my desires. I am fully present in the now moment. I feel grateful for what I have. I am grateful and appreciate every moment. I am grateful and appreciate myself for all the things I have gone through. I appreciate myself for all the experiences I have had. I appreciate all the good things that have happened to me. I appreciate all the lessons life has taught me. All the lessons that life teaches only make me stronger. I am strong, resilient, and capable. I am full of love, light, and happiness. I deserve the best that life has to offer. I choose the thoughts and actions that align with my highest purpose. I am choosing to have the best life possible for me. I am ready to receive all the blessings the universe has for me. I am ready to achieve all my dreams. I am aligning with my higher self. Everything I need or want flows easily into my life. I am achieving all my desires. Now, take a moment to visualize yourself as a vibrant being, filled with the energy of the present moment. Feel the gratitude for your journey, recognizing the strength and resilience you embody. Picture your body, mind, and spirit in perfect alignment, healthy, and ready to embrace the opportunities that today brings. See yourself surrounded by love, light, and abundance, confidently stepping into new experiences with trust and ease. With each breath, ground yourself in this positive energy. Carry this sense of gratitude, strength, and abundance throughout your day. Remember, each day is a fresh start. By consistently practicing these affirmations, you cultivate a mindset of positivity and resilience, guiding you towards a life filled with joy, love, and limitless opportunities. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this meditation helpful, please like and share it with others who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to Clear State for more guided affirmation meditations that will help you unlock your full potential and live your best life.